Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging to Con Edison peak shaving, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect EV charging to Con Edison peak shaving, begin by familiarizing yourself with the peak shaving program. Check if your utility service is eligible for the peak shaving initiative. Research Con Edison's website for specific guidelines and requirements related to EV charging and contact Con Edison customer service for clarification on how the program works. Gather documentation regarding your current electric usage and EV charging system. Determine your EV charger specifications, including the charging capacity and any smart features. Install a smart EV charger capable of connecting to a demand response system. Ensure your charger is compatible with Con Edison's peak shaving program requirements. Sign up for the peak shaving program through Con Edison's online portal or customer service. Once approved, configure your EV charger settings to align with Con Edison's peak shaving schedule. Use a Wi-Fi connection to establish communication between your charger and Con Edison's network. Monitor your energy usage through the charger's app to ensure participation in the peak shaving program. Stay informed about peak shaving notifications from Con Edison for real-time updates. Adjust your charging habits according to peak and off-peak hours communicated by the utility. Periodically check for any updates or changes in the program from Con Edison. Maintain contact with customer service to resolve any issues or answer questions regarding your participation. Document your EV charging and peak shaving usage for record keeping and future reference. Review the benefits of your participation in the program after a few billing cycles to assess savings. Continue optimizing your charging strategy based on the insights gained from your monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.